Hi, we are back with a new video. In this video, we will be showing how to clean and wash the HN95 Canspirator reusable mask by using the household items. Before proceeding into the video, I would like to inform you that this mask has been tested and acknowledged by Ministry of Textile, by Textile Committee India. We also have the mask certified for EN 149 2001 standard. Now let's get started with the do's and don'ts and the procedure for washing the Canspirator mask. The things that are required to wash the Canspirator masks are: we need kettle or some utensil to boil the water. We need the iron after the mask is washed to dry it and condition the mask. We also need the liquid detergent for soaking the mask in it, and a utensil wherein we will dip the mask for at least 5 minutes so that it soaks. Let's start washing the mask now. First thing first, we need is a mask. We're gonna boil some water in the kettle, and we've removed some of the detergent, liquid detergent in this, which we are gonna pour on top of the mask over here. We do not need the boiling hot water. Lukewarm water is enough to wash the mask. I'm just gonna put it off now and pour it. Now we'll let the mask soak for at least 5 minutes before we rinse it in another fresh water. Now that the mask is soaked in the soap water, we are going to take it off. We are going to take it out, squeeze it so that the soap water is removed. Rinse it in the normal tap water or running cold water. Just going to pour it in. Here, while cleaning the mask, there is a nose clip inside in this nose region, which should not be squeezed or crimped to the core. This kind of a U shape has to be formed so that the clip doesn't break. Now once the mask is rinsed in the normal water, we're gonna fold it like this where the clip is not touched and squeeze it to remove the water from it as much as we can. Once this is done, to dry the mask quickly, what we are going to do is we are going to iron the mask. You can use a normal iron, it does not have to be steam iron. The steam is going to come out from the mask, that is your water from. While ironing the mask, another thing to notice is I am not ironing in this region where the clip is there, because I don't want to bend the clip and break it. The ear loops are made from the spandex material. I'm not gonna run the iron on that because this material will become loose and it will also stick to the iron. While ironing from the inside, I have straightened the clip and this is how it's gonna look. Perhaps I can use my thumb to make the U for the clip so that it doesn't get damaged. Now that the mask is clean and dry, just gonna wear it. I'm gonna show how to unfold the mask while not damaging the clip. Just gonna wear it now. The important thing while washing the mask is, if you follow the procedure which we shown in the video, the filtration efficiency of the mask will not reduce up to at least 30 washes if you are careful with the mask. The important thing is not to put the mask in washing machine or not to use the brush to get any stains off the mask. The brush and the washing machine will definitely hamper the filtration efficiency of the mask, and then the purpose of the mask is lost. The do's and don'ts of the mask washing instructions are also mentioned on our packaging over here. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you would like to connect with us and ask any questions or queries, please send us a message over here.